Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's video is about synonyms, हम मानी अल्फाज. A word or phrase that has the same meaning as the another word or phrase. ऐसा लफ्ज़ या फ़िक्रा जिसके मानी दूसरे लफ्ज़ या फ़िक्रे के बराबर हो, इन्हें हम मानी अल्फाज कहते हैं. Some pairs of synonyms are given there. Please listen and remember. Start, begin, excellent, superior, easy, simple, difficult, hard. Next pair, infant, baby, select, choose, mistake, error, last, final. Another one, accurate, correct, under, below, good, fine, race, lift, exit, leave, sad, unhappy, trip, journey, clarify, explain. Always, forever, connect, join, large, big, present, gift. Next one, fast, quick, ill, sick, near, close, stone, rock. False, untrue, intelligent, smart, alike, same, small, teeny. Rich, wealthy, scared, afraid, idiot, fool, and finish. Next one, buy, purchase, enjoyment, fun, cold, chilly, child, kid. Last pairs, attractive, gorgeous, approve, accept, respect, honor, glad, happy.